We are at the 2021 AUVSI here in Atlanta. All things automated vehicles, right? Pretty cool stuff. I'll take you guys on a tour later of the place, or, well, video, right? Later is a few seconds. Okay, yeah, in a few seconds. But here's our booth here. I'll show you that first. Alright, so here's the booth. These guys are blocking the booth currently. So, but we're here with Elistair.
So this does not have the servo.
And we have a drone that actually works with their tether system there. So, pretty cool. And we've got our own drone stuff over there. But you can check that out online. See all the data and information on that. I just wanted to give you guys a quick view of all the stuff we got going on here. There's a pseudo 360. And I'll walk around here so you can check it out. Oh man. Yeah. There's the spot. I wonder if that's the one that was oh yeah, look at that.
It's cones over here.
Boston. Oh, you walking inside the cones. Oh man, dude. Walking right through the cones. This dude does not respect the cones.
I don't respect it.
No cone respect. Oh, this is the
Look inside, try it.
awesome.
If you like to.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's why they brought it.
Oh my goodness. All right, so what is this? Do you mind being on?
Yeah.
So
you can
what
keep
is
us up to
what
all
is
the
this?
specific features of it if you want
Yeah,
to.
what is this? Yeah, okay, we're gonna take a look. Oh yeah. This is like movie type of stuff. What goes on in here?
So we use this vehicle to ingest and disseminate feeds as we need to. Right now we have it set up to take in 16 different feeds. So that's from drone feeds, ground robotics feeds, body cams. We have cameras on the mast. We have external cameras here.
Holy cow! Speaking of the mast, how high does that go?
That goes 54 feet.
Holy cow! So we have not exceeded the maximum height in here.
Very low.
Goodness. All right, man. Thanks for giving us the lowdown on that. Woo.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
All right. Well, more drones.
So it'll.
Serious stuff here.
It's got a variation.
All right, there is an insane amount of stuff here, so I'm just gonna get started at one end and just walk down the middle and show you what we got here. Because this is pretty cool stuff. It's like, holy cow! There's some really cool ones down this way, and we're gonna walk past a one that, super wild. Look at that one there. Two sides. But here's automated. Well, yeah, it's all automated, right? But cool commuter vehicles. Serious firefighting robots. Holy cow. And pretty wild stuff. Alright. Yeah, I could show you close-ups of everything, but this is the thing. This would take hours. But I'm just gonna show you some of the US Army. Wow, look at this. That's almost a full-size passenger type plane. Yeah, you're probably gonna get dizzy because I'm swinging this back and forth, but yeah, it would be hard to capture everything. So I'm just gonna stop it. If I see something like super out of the box, I will stop and talk to someone else. Look at this. Oh yeah. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh, I see something coming up. All right. We're gonna go over here and take a look at this. This is what is this? This looks like flying saucer stuff here. Oh. Wow. Dude, that is huge. Huge stuff. Oh wow, this is do you mind?
Oh, no, of course.
So this almost looks like a Model T, yeah? The shape of it? What is it? What is this thing?
It's originally made in France
Uh-huh.
by a company named Sprocket, and we partnered with an American company called Marengo. So basically, it's all terrain, and the legs they sort of lift up to the side, so it can go upstairs, it can go
Oh.
hills, and it's fully self-autonomous. And the base always stays level, no matter which terrain it's on.
Goodness,
Right now,
that's
it's
crazy.
used by the military.
By the military. Now, is there any civilian applications that they're gonna?
So we partnered with
get
them,
into?
so we're going to make a much cheaper version out of our own structures.
Oh,
This is
wow.
our melamine structure. It is perforated aluminum impregnated with carbon fiber and epoxy and pressure sealed. So
Wow.
we're going to make all of this material out of that. We're basically going to take out all of the extra heavy structures, and this will carry all of our batteries for our tethered room.
Very cool. Very cool. Wow, that's amazing. So a lot of stuff starts out military, right, and goes
Yeah.
into the civilian sector. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool that that works that way.
We just try to take
Yeah.
everything and make it cheap and easily
Yeah.
reproducible for everybody.
Wow,
We're
and
trying to keep our price point low.
that's good. That's good. More accessible for everybody. What is? Because you're connected with that as well.
Yes.
So what is that? It's like a flying saucer kind of thing.
Yeah, so our company is Venture Aerospace. They're based out of Denver. That is the first iteration of our drone. It doesn't have
Oh,
its
wow.
wing tips attached right now.
Okay.
But
So it's
like
bigger
that.
than this.
Yeah, it's going to look like that little model.
Insane. Okay, let me get
This is
I'll get a
16
close up
feet.
of that for you guys. Holy cow, 16 feet. All right, so thank you very much. Thank you for
You should definitely come back when I
yeah
have it roaming around.
yeah. We'll come back and check it out later. Thank you. All right, so very cool stuff going on here. I hope you're getting the audio pretty good because I have my earpiece in and I found that that's been working pretty good. So we're just doing the earpiece thing today. But holy cow, we'll try to take a look at some other stuff again. Yeah, here's another. All right, we're getting to the cafe end of the thing here. They put the cafe all the way at the end of the deal here. So, yeah, pretty cool. I'll just give you a quick 360 of the cafe so you guys see what we got. We're going to be spending 8 hours a day here for 3 days. So, just going to give you a quick... there's the spot right down there, the coffee spot. That is the morning stop, is the coffee spot. So... yeah, pretty good coffee. I just had one today. But holy cow, that's it, guys. Yeah, if I get a chance again, because I got to go back to the booth. If I get a chance again, in a few seconds, you'll see me walk through again. If not, hey. So, as you can see, some really cool stuff going on. Going back to the booth, because I don't know if... yeah, I got to keep my eye on these guys here. But yeah, good stuff. AUVSI 2021 Atlanta.